Well, here it is, 4:30 in the morning. I'm supposed to get up at 5:15, take a shower, gonna leave the house by 6 o'clock to get over to the Quechee mini marathon. And of course, I went to bed at 11 o'clock so I could try to get more sleep on my back injury. I toss and turn. And anyways, yeah, I've been tossing and turning, and now it's 4:30, and I can't get back to sleep. You watch. By the time the alarm goes off, then I'll be fighting it. So, gonna be a long day. We are, my checkpoint 11 this year. Not very much. I could pull a Jeep down in here, but I'm afraid it's all wet. There's Leo. Leo's with me. That if I start sinking, I'll never get out. I'll have to call a tow truck. We got a beautiful stream beside us.
We just wanted to make sure that...
Look at that beautiful stream.
You see runners twice, so when you call in the first runners, can you say they're either mile 3 or mile 5?
Anyways, we're at our checkpoint. Got my cozy camp chair set up, and Leo just, if he wants to get back in the car, he's scared of the traffic, or one minute he wants to sit in the car, and next he wants to get out. So anyways, 7-3. Okay, somewhere down there, 2 miles is the finish line. So I got my signs up, sign on the side, another sign over here. I got my paperwork on the dash. Got my strobes, but I don't need them. But like I said there, I don't dare back into here. I do a forward drive, but I get stuck. That ground's wetter than what it looks, and I start sinking. Yeah, last thing I want to do is pay for a tow truck to get me out. He's a happy kitty. We're at the race. Leo's my co-pilot. Him and Jesus. Got our sign right there. Oh, Leo. He's got his litter box on the floor. Got some food and water in the back seat, and he's happy. Yeah, big happy camper, huh, Leo? Yes, you are. To a little hammy cat. My overland kitty, huh, Leo? Yeah, good kitty. Okay, got my FTM 300 on the dash. Got my Lone Peak radio chest pack. My Anytone 878, and we're just waiting. Race kicked off about 8:16 in the morning here. And it'll probably be a good 35 minutes, 45 before somebody gets me. Unless there's that little skinny guy that made it to checkpoint 10 a few years ago in something like 32, 35 minutes. So anyways, yep, we'll report back. Just killing the boredom. Leo's giving me perns to get out of the car. I said, let's go sit in the chair. I turn around as I'm closing the door, and look who's in my chair. He's like, okay, Dad, I'll sit in the chair. Yeah, thanks a lot. I didn't bring another chair.